Have you ever felt like your whole life was flipped upside down because of a lie, and now you're in court and worried that the judge might believe it? Here's how to fight back when your reputation's on the line. Let me tell you about Eric. He's a corporate finance manager, lives in Buckhead, mid-40s, 2 kids, always played by the rules. When his wife filed for divorce, he figured it would be tough but fair. Then bam, she accused him of being emotionally abusive, controlling the money, even threatening her. None of it was true. But once that kind of accusation hits the court, the truth doesn't always matter right away. You've got to know how to fight back and how to fight smart. So here's the first thing I want you to understand. Georgia courts take accusations of abuse, neglect, or harmful behavior very seriously. They have to. The judge's job is to protect the kids and both parties until they can figure out what's really going on. So if false allegations are being made against you, whether it's abuse or addiction or financial misconduct or anything else, it can immediately affect your custody rights, your access to your home, even your job if word gets out. So what do you do to respond to this? Well, handle it strategically, not emotionally. Now, in Eric's case, we didn't waste time venting about how unfair it was. We got right to work. First, we gathered the evidence, emails, texts, phone records, anything that painted a picture of what the relationship really looked like. We documented everything from who picked up the kids when, to who paid for what, to how often he checked in on them during her weeks with the kids. You need a paper trail that speaks louder than the accusations. The second thing we did was bring in the right professionals. So in Georgia, the courts will often appoint a guardian ad litem if there are serious custody concerns. These are independent investigators who dig into the situation and they report their findings to the court. Now, if you're falsely accused, a guardian ad litem can actually be your best friend if you present yourself well, stay consistent, and cooperate fully. Third, and this is a big one, keep your cool. Judges are human. If you show up to court angry, defensive, or bitter, guess what? It plays right into the other side's hands. But if you stay calm, factual, and focus on your kid's best interests, you come across as credible and trustworthy. That matters more than you think. So back to Eric's case, the truth eventually won out. The guardian ad litem found no evidence of abuse. The judge saw through the emotional manipulation. Eric got shared custody and kept his relationship with his kids intact. It wasn't easy and it wasn't fast, but it worked. So if you're facing false allegations, know this, you're not alone and you're not powerless. You just need the right strategy, the right support, and somebody who knows how Georgia law actually works. We deal with these issues all the time. If this sounds like something you're going through, reach out to us. We're happy to talk with you and help you understand your options for moving forward. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll know when we post new videos. And join us for insights on divorce, custody, and protecting yourself financially, legally, and emotionally. Share the videos and leave comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group, Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you on the next video.